Siaosi squad, welcome back to another vlog gang here at Darnell's game once again, which is our Saturday ritual, and I'm here with my old school squad. I haven't seen in ages and you guys haven't seen in ages. I am so tired. I feel like my eyes are just gonna drop to the ground. Look at these bags, you can fit groceries in them. If you want some free shopping bags, come and pick these bags up. Darnell's playing really well. He's already scored a try and I didn't get it, unfortunately, because I was a bit late. I'm a little bit sad because Aussie leaves for Samoa in 3 days, which means I'm going to be by myself for 2.5 weeks. And I've never done that before. But I guess it's a good thing because I guess distance makes the heart grow fonder. Do you have anything to say? Say hello because you haven't seen them in a while. Hi guys. Have you missed her? Comment down below. Tell us if you've missed her. Tell me if I look good or not. Is my mascara smudged?
Not that your opinion matters. But
I don't know what the score is. But after this we're going to go do a little bit of shopping for Samoa, for the in-laws, get Aussie's haircut, get these brows done. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
it's windy.
Do you hear the bird, Papa?
Yeah.
Oh, did you grease yourself now?
I got fussied.
From who?
You got a fussy, he doesn't know.
It's too late now. Oh no, they're still there. Look how crazy this is, guys. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's birds fluttering above us. They're having a big fongo. I don't know if you can see, but I'm scared someone's gonna crap on my head. Okay guys, so we're on our way shopping. We got the squats. We're going formal shopping, formal dress. Window shopping for Gua, because it's her year 10 social coming up. So we're gonna go pick up a nice dress. Oh my god, I'm still so tired, you can tell. Ugh, let me get this crap out of my eyes.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, I wanted to do my eyebrows and my...
Oh yeah, I want to do mine again. If that's all of us, G.
Oh, you should do it before your formal.
Yeah, it's this Thursday.
Oh wait, what?
Yeah, we're just here in this shop, doing some shop. Yeah, with my wife.
I'm so tired.
Hey guys, we're in the lady shop. I'm not a lady, guys, so I'm just coming. Guys, I think I'm gonna get a pulse before that goes on. I'm gonna get the pulse, guys. I'm ready. Hey, I'm so tired. They want me to go all the way back there to put all the stuff in the car. So
We didn't want you to. You wanted to do that yourself.
now they want me to go to...
Oh, whoa. Oh my god. I got it again. What is up, guys? Currently getting ready to go to church. It's a Sunday. And I'm just baking my face a little bit. I just put some concealer on only. Really got to get these brows done. Do you like my little cute baby hairs?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Choti, the pastor of the church. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, so what say yeah.
Then why are you late if you're the 5-year-old?
No.
Just here at DFO, we came to get more things.
Yep.
That's the worst angle of me. So we're still shopping for things for Aussie's family.
Yep.
We're just trying to look for a top for Aussie to wear to the wedding. Do you want some shoes? Guys, we're just leaving DFO now.
Yep.
We've got bags in bags. My feet are so sore. I'm super tired. Can't wait to go home so that Siaosi can massage my feet.
Oh, did you agree about that, guys?
Of
My
course I
feet
do.
are sore too.
Oh, I'm tired. Guess who finally got their eyebrows done?
Guess who not done their haircut? me.
Yeah, you're getting yours done tomorrow, babe. Trying to organize all of the things we got for Aussie and his family for when he goes.
You should put Georgie back in his bag. Because no one's helping me, guys.
What do you mean, Siaosi? I gave you all those ideas.
That's only ideas, but not helping.
That's a big help. Otherwise, you would have been stuck still at square one. Okay, guys, so we ordered pizza. We spent like almost the whole day pretty much shopping still for Siaosi's trip to Samoa. And then we came home and I was just absolutely wrecked. So we had a nap and we woke up. It was too late to cook anything. So we just ordered some pizza. I'm getting really upset.
It's alright.
I'm getting really upset. If you need a place to stay for 2.5 weeks, come stay with me because I'm gonna have no husband.
What do you mean?
Siaosi's upstairs. I'm just trying to gather some last minute clothes for him because we're currently packing his bags, and I just want to take the time to really appreciate you, honey, everything you do for us around the house. Like, many of you don't actually know, even though I cook a lot, Siaosi does like almost 80% of the housework. He cleans all the time, he washes dishes all the time, he sweeps all the time. So I really just want to appreciate you, babe, and let you know that I'm gonna miss you a lot, and I'm not gonna try and cry on camera because I've been crying all day, and I'm gonna cry tonight again, and I'm probably gonna cry in the morning, and I'm gonna cry when I drop you off at the airport. Guys, this is what a hot mess looks like. I woke up early this morning and I remembered Aussie was leaving and I just started crying. We've been through this like already, so we should know what it feels like because we were doing long distance before we got together.
Yeah.
Obviously, if many of you know our story, but I don't know, it's so hard. I guess if it was like for 1 week, then it would be okay. You can tell by like the bags under my eyes that I've been crying.
Make me feel like I don't want to go. So yeah, we'll stay strong. It is what it is. Yeah. She coming after the next 3 weeks.
O mea ia mo ka malolo ia e ma o e ola ko ka fao ai whainga ruenga ia whawhingi.
Don't say that.
Why?
This is not good. Hey, what do you mean no ka fao na ai whaia mea no ka fao?
Ngā la alfu isi o sia whaianga vai ma fia fia o le la ko e fo i Samoa.
That's your fault. You paid this fee. I told you I'm not.
Alright, guys, just to clear it up, because he keeps saying that it's my fault, but it may be my fault, but that's because like we were originally going, like before we even found out about the wedding, we were going to go to my grandmother's unveiling. And then we got invited to the wedding and the dates were at the beginning of July and my grandmother's unveiling is at the end of July. I thought of it because if he was going to Samoa anyways for my grandmother's unveiling, I thought it would be stupid for him not to go if it's in the same month for his own family's, you know, is like his own family's events. Of course I'm going to miss him and I'm really upset about it, and that's why he's going before me and I'm going after. It is what it is and we can't change it. So this is what love compels you to do and feel like, okay? Don't get me wrong, love is a beautiful thing, but when your heart breaks, I honestly feel heartbroken like Siaosi and I are breaking up. Well, I don't feel like that. I'm crying as if Siaosi and I are breaking up. So funny, guys. I just said to Siaosi, because he was like to me, you better not cry at the airport. And I was like, oh, don't worry, I won't. And I was like, I'm so goa. Goa is like strong heart, that's goa. And I was like, oh, don't worry, I'm so goa. And like literally 5 seconds after I said that, I pictured myself at the airport watching him walk into departures. I just burst into tears and I started crying. And I started laughing because I was like, oh, don't worry, I'm so good. The next minute I was like, ooh. Can you believe this, guys? We are so close to leaving and Siaosi still wants to have a game of Fortnite. We just got home, went to cut Aussie's hair, get some last minute chocolates for them.
How's my hair look, guys? How's my hair look? Look nice or what?
Show them.
Look, is that nice?
And Siaosi shaved his beard a bit. I made a coffee. We got the spicy noodles for the spicy noodle challenge.
On the road to Sydney. Yeah, she's going to drop me off. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her so much because she's driving back home by herself. So yeah, it's hard for me because I love her so much, but it's too far for her. No one's drive by herself.
Guys, we just got to Sydney Airport. Well, actually, we got here half an hour ago. We've literally been driving around trying to find a park. And surprisingly, I haven't cried all the way here. Aren't I a good girl, honey? Don't ask me when we get in there. It's probably going to be a different story.
Yeah, guys, we're going to check in. So, thank you, Lo. Oh, there's many back here. Now I just finished checking my bag. Yeah. I miss my wife so much.
I feel strong.
This is our last dinner together. Now, yeah, after we eat, then we go. And I'm going, and she's going back.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here because we won't have time. Obviously, Siaosi's going for the camera, so I won't have time to film him going into departures, and we won't have enough time to take that footage off. So I'm going to transfer the footage off the camera now. Anyways, the guys that did our sub is so pure. This is our last vlog together, guys, until you see us again with the other vlogs. The next couple of vlogs you'll see will be just Siaosi only with his family.
Yep. Gonna miss you so much, baby.
Guys, thank you so much for your love and support. We'll shout you guys out in the next video.
Yeah.
Well, and lastly, I just wanted to say, a lot of you guys who are loyal subscribers as well, I didn't actually shout out. That's because I purely went off the one video that I was looking at. And then on my most recent vlog where I shouted everyone out, we did see a lot more of you guys. So I really do apologize about that. But stay tuned for your shout out because it definitely is coming.
And stay focused for the salmon vlog coming up soon.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. We'll see you guys soon.